Wi-Fi feels like magic. You tap your phone, and suddenly videos play, messages appear, and websites load. But here's the surprising part. Wi-Fi is not magic at all. It's just smart science, working quietly through the air around you. And once you understand it, you'll realize it's actually very simple. So let's break it down, slowly, clearly, and in a way that actually makes sense. Look at your phone for a second. There are no wires connected to it, no cables running into your screen. So how does the internet get inside your phone? How does information travel from somewhere far away, right into your hand? The answer is Wi-Fi. Imagine you're standing in a room with a friend. You don't need a wire to talk to them. You just speak, and your voice travels through the air. Wi-Fi works in a very similar way. Instead of sending sound, it sends information. And instead of using your voice, it uses something called radio waves. Radio waves are invisible signals. You can't see them. You can't touch them. But they're everywhere. Radio waves are used for music, TV, Bluetooth, GPS. And yes, Wi-Fi. They move through the air, just like light does. The only difference is, your eyes can't see them. That small box in your house, your Wi-Fi router, is doing a very important job. Think of it like a tiny radio station. It sends radio waves out in all directions, all the time, and it also listens for radio waves coming back. When you tap your phone sends a radio message through the air, straight to the router. That message might say something like, "Hey, I want to watch this video," or "Please load this website." The router doesn't have all the answers, so it sends your request through a cable, out of your house, and into the wider internet. This happens in a fraction of a second. The internet finds what you asked for. Then it sends the information back, through the cable, into your router, and your router sends it back through the air, right to your phone. That entire trip happens so fast. Feels instant. Now here's something you may have noticed. Wi-Fi gets weaker behind walls. That's because radio waves lose strength when they pass through solid objects. Thick walls, metal and concrete, can block or weaken the signal. That's why Wi-Fi works best when you're closer to the router. The farther you move away from the router, the weaker the signal becomes. A weaker signal means slower speeds. That's why your Wi-Fi feels fast in one room and slow in another. It's not broken, it's just physics. Even though Wi-Fi uses radio waves, they move incredibly fast, almost as fast as light. That's why messages send instantly, videos load quickly, and games respond right away. So no, Wi-Fi isn't magic. There are no invisible wires, no mystery forces, just smart science, tiny radios, and invisible waves moving through the air around you. Once you understand that, Wi-Fi suddenly makes perfect sense.